crisis in Zamboanga City is now on its fifth day. The president himself was on the ground to take a first-hand look at the situation.
Well, Tony, the president says he doesn't want unnecessary loss of lives, but he warns the Miswari group, if you harm the hostages, security forces will move in.
Government wants is war in Zamboanga City, but the commander-in-chief says there are lines Miswari's men should not cross.
Kunyari, may sinaktan sa mga hostages. Kunyari, nagsunog nito mga barangay kung nasan sila. And other mga lines nga that they should not cross. And may instructions sa ating security forces on what to do in the eventuality of certain occurrences happening.
President Aquino himself went to Zamboanga City to personally assess the situation on the ground.
Ano bang prime objective? Siguraduhin na walang unnecessary loss of blood. Yung preservation of life is the paramount mission.
Aquino does not believe Miswari had a hand in the crisis in Zamboanga City.
Tinisyon niya, may natin ba tayo nagsabing nakiusap siya kay Malik na tumigil na? So far no. Ako rin wala ko narinig. Baka dapat pag-isipan natin yan.
The standoff between security forces and the Miswari group has become more intense and the number of casualties is rising. Fighting was heaviest in Barangay Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara. Soldiers were met with mortars and sniper fire. One mortar explosion left several civilians wounded, including Red Cross personnel. Smoke billowing from fires in barangays Rio Hondo, Santa Barbara and Santa Catalina can also be seen from a distance. The armed forces says it is ready to send reinforcements.
A situation changes or a situation allows or would demand probably, then we will be undertaking additional forces.
Miswari's men have been exchanging gunfire with security forces over the past 5 days. They're believed to be holding more than 100 hostages and are using them as human shields.